My candidates, in this section we are going to be looking on matrix operations, and a matrix is defined as a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. Let's take a look at an example of a matrix. We have our rectangular array which comprises of 2 rows and 3 columns. This is read as a 2 by 3 matrix. Panopera video rino you should be able to understand my basic matrix operations, starting with addition, subtraction, and lastly with scalar multiplication. Ngatangene matrix addition, and the main concept is that you add corresponding elements position by position. Let's take a look at in our example. We are given 2 matrices A and B and they are adding each other. My elements are to share my same positions on A and B will be added onto each other to give the resulting matrix. 1 will add up to 5, 2 will be added with 6, 3 will also be added with 7, and 4 will be added with 8 due to their corresponding positions on A and B. This will result in our answer as a 2 by 2 matrix with 6, 8, 10, and 12. On matrix addition, we are adding 2 matrices, matrix A and matrix B, which are 2 by 3 matrices. We'll get our resulting matrix by adding each element in A and B separately corresponding to their positions. This takes the same steps we have taken with our 2 by 2 matrix for our first example, and will result in our matrix with elements 4, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, and 5. For matrix subtraction, we subtract corresponding elements position by position. So I'm going to by addition, but this time we are applying subtraction. For our first example, tapio matrix A and subtracting matrix B, we are going to subtract each position separately. So 7 will subtract 3 to get 4, and 5 will subtract 2 to get 3, 9 will subtract 1 to get 8, and 2 subtracting 4 to get minus 2. So subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. For example 2, tapiwa ma 2 by 3 matrices subtracting each other. We follow the same rules that ashandisa panga subtract ma 2 by 2 matrix, subtracting each position separately to get our resultant matrix. 8 will subtract minus 2, minus 3 subtracting 1, 5 subtracting minus 4, minus 1 subtracting 3, 6 subtracting minus 2, and 0 subtracting 5, resulting in our final matrix. On our last agenda of the day, we are taking a look at scalar multiplication. A scalar is just a regular number, and in scalar multiplication, the scalar will multiply every element in our matrix. So we are given our scalar 3 multiplying a matrix with elements 2, minus 1, 4, na 0. So every element in the matrix made each multiply na 3, which will result in our resultant matrix with elements 6, minus 3, 12, na 0. Ngatisherechedza another example of scalar multiplication. Tapiwa our scalar is negative 2 multiplying a 2 by 3 matrix. Says our scalar negative 2 must multiply every element in our matrix to get our resultant matrix. Negative 2 will multiply 3, negative 5, 1, 0, 4, and negative 2. This will result in our matrix with elements negative 6, 10, negative 2, 0, negative 8, and positive 4. Remember to multiply negative and negative to a positive. Quickly summarizing what I did and us, we have taken a look at addition, which we added corresponding elements, subtraction, and scalar multiplication, where we multiplied every element by the scalar. Take note that kana tichiadd and subtract ma matrix said anfanongani same dimensions. At consequence add kana subtract a 2 by 3 matrix to a 2 by 2 matrix, and when it's scalar multiplication, you multiply every element in the matrix by the scalar. This marks the end of matrix 1, and on the next video we'll take a look at matrix operations from ZIMSEC past exam questions.